Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. If you love powerful chainsaws, modern forestry machines and dramatic felling scenes, then you've come to the right place. Check it out now.
Welcome to Koala Chainsaw.
Joppa 365 Plus Pro is a multi-function with splitter, integrating automatic cutting, splitting, and transport systems, helping to process wood quickly and efficiently in the firewood processing industry.
Speed and precision define the ADRO Dominator. In seconds, it transforms large logs into perfectly sized wooden pieces, ready for various applications. The roar of the steel 661C echoes through the forest as workers expertly bring down towering giants with precision and power. Deep within the forest, a worker discovers a hollow giant. The chainsaw roars to life, carving through the ancient wood, uncovering secrets hidden for decades. grinding stumps into fine sawdust. The Bandit 2550T clears the land, leaving no trace of the once mighty roots. The LT40 wide sawmill transforms raw logs into smooth, uniform planks, ready for construction and craftsmanship. Turning logs into sawdust, the Koala C645S, paired with the Koala 305T feeder, operates with unmatched precision and speed, optimizing the wood processing chain. In a sudden twist, disaster strikes as a falling tree narrowly misses a parked excavator, highlighting the ever-present dangers in logging. In the heart of a dense forest, the Komatsu 931C 144 harvester is a force to be reckoned with. Its powerful arms grip massive tree trunks while the saw blade slices through with precision and speed, making quick work of the toughest woods. In the heart of a dense forest, the Komatsu 931C 144 harvester is a force to be reckoned with. Its powerful arms grip massive tree trunks while the saw blade slices through with precision and speed, making quick work of the toughest woods. Efficiency meets power with the Tigercat L870C feller buncher. It doesn't just cut trees, it groups them, ready for transport, revolutionizing the logging process. The Timberjack 450C is a workhorse of the forest, dragging massive logs through uneven terrain, showcasing unmatched pulling strength. With the HYPRO 300 HD processor, workers efficiently section massive tree trunks into uniform lengths, streamlining the logging operation. Navigating narrow, winding roads, the Peterbilt 359 hauls its heavy load with grace and reliability, showcasing the backbone of the timber industry. In the heart of the forest, the hum of machinery and the rhythmic sounds of engines fill the air. a testament to the power and efficiency of modern logging.
Thank you for watching Koala Chainsaw. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next episode.